Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh
Look
yeah.
at that. Look at that. And
Norfolk Southern. CX.
Some good
Look
graffiti.
at him. Look.
This is beautiful. This is going on my channel. When I get home, everybody has been asking for a train video. And I said, hopefully I can catch one. Well, you know what? I did. This is awesome.
And look, it's still going. It's really a big one.
This is a freight train. They go forever.
Yep.
My arm's getting tired. But I'll keep it up.
That's an indictment. Or physical conditioning.
How is your arm being tired at 50?
Thanks, everything.
They're all the same kind of cars.
No, they aren't.
That are kind of like see-through.
They're the same. They're cars made by the different companies.
Right, but I'm saying they're all the same kind.
Yeah, CS, X,
I wonder what it's stored in those. It looks like they're
Southern
empty.
Pacific.
Does that look like they're empty, Stella?
Yeah, they look like they're
Norfolk,
empty. If you look
Southern,
in there,
Yep.
like from the sun, you can see that they're empty. You must be going somewhere to get some.
Yep.
This is fun. Ferrum X, CSX.
Will this end?
It's one of the longest train drivers. I don't see them anymore. I used to see them all the time where I live.
Yep, this guy came out to lunch. My dad said as a boy in Iowa, they would wait for the freight trains to come blowing by in the summer. They would kind of wait at the bridge for them.
Rail.
The car is
Just to watch them, or?
Yeah, because what else are you going to do in Iowa in 1948?
Totally.
the car's shaking from the vibration.
It should be at about 2 minutes and 36 seconds.
2:11.
Well, no, but
Oh, and here's
for
the end.
train.
Here comes the end.
No moose goose, though.